For the power quality events is there's a lot of customers that also will have like power factor correction capacitors. So something that they're trying to correct their power and make it less dirty and just make sure they're getting the right voltage or whatever the case may be. So there's quite a few customers that have these in place, and sometimes they uninstall them because they don't really like the power factor they're getting or the voltage that they're getting. But the nice part is with the Volta node system as well is we can put one on the incoming and the utility, but we can also put one on the load side of that capacitor bank and fully monitor that. So done this for a lot of customers. It's really helpful because we can really make sure they're getting the voltage that they want, also checking the power factor and making sure that's correct as well, and then report on it. Also report on if there's any failures. So we've seen this before where like one resistor in the bank goes and then that changes a lot of the values, and we're able to report that out and let the customer know that there is a change, whether they need to go replace that capacitor, replace whatever the case may be, and get that fixed.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.